Hey guys, let's dive into how you can make stunning videos straight from images or text right on your phone. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, download an app called CapCut. And after you downloaded the app, go ahead and open it up, right? And then import your images from here, right? Import the images. Say for example, I'm gonna have this image. And now what I'm gonna do, I can add another image, right? And I'm gonna hit add. And then as you can see right here, this is one image and this is the other one, right? Now what I can do, I could just go ahead and click the first slide and click animation and click right here, as you can see, to add an animation. And I click animation, so you can see right here in, which means in the beginning, or out, like this, right? I can hit the animation again and click in, right? As you can see right here, get to see the video. And if you want a good closure, you could just go ahead and hit out, Alt TV. And as you can see right here, we created an image from created a video from an image. If you want to add an effect, go ahead and click the first slide and click effect and click video effect and add your effect. As you can see right here, you can add a effect, right? And you can customize the videos. And in my case, I'm not using any audio because I don't want to get a copyright, right? And then basically, if you want to add text, you could go ahead, add text, right? Hi, for example. You can see font, style, effects, or animation. So I'm gonna click animations, right? As you can see right here. And I'm gonna go ahead to the fonts to make it more clearer. Right? Yep, something like that. Click the style, make it more clear. Yeah, something like that. I'm gonna put it right here. Right? As you can see, I added the text and made it movable. If I wanted to move it, I could just go ahead and hit the animations again. And I'm gonna click loop. Right here, you're gonna see the tiny button right here. I'm gonna be able to make it move, right? So and that's it. CapCut makes it super easy to turn your ideas into pro level videos. No cost, no hassle. Try it today and thank me later. Subscribe for more AI tools and tips.